All right, test. You there?
Check.
You ready to start number one?
Ready on one.
Plans are off. All right, today's flight, Sergio dutifully starts engine number one. Going to be a leg from Charleston down to Kissimmee, Florida. All right, there's 10% up and over. Fuel is coming up. Oil pressure's good. Got light off. Be a nice, beautiful day for flying. We already did one leg this morning. We came up from Jacksonville to Charleston, dropped some people off. And beautiful. AC, inverters on, air conditioners on. Beautiful. All right. Ready to taxi out if you are.
I'm ready.
Charleston Executive Traffic, Citation 577 X-Ray Whiskey is taxiing out for departure runway 27.
Hey, X-Ray Whiskey, go ahead and switch over to 2280.
Okay, sorry about that. Okay, we're good to go. Charleston Executive Traffic, Citation 577 X-Ray Whiskey is taxiing out for departure runway 27. All right. Weigh 12,200 pounds for this takeoff. It's a sea level departure. Temperature's a little toasty over there. What are we at right now?
27.
All right, 30 degrees. We'll round up. Power is 97.5. That's set.
97.5 set.
So we'll have 86, 94, 102 for the speeds. 86, 97.
Hello, country traffic, Skyhawk 633, Mike Tango, we are 15 miles to the east-south.
All right, speeds are loaded in the FMS.
Downwind.
All right, engine instruments.
Okay.
Charleston Executive Traffic, Clear up 6516 is clear to the north. We'll be in the Charleston Harbor area traffic for about
Fuel quantity?
30 minutes. Charleston 6.
Go over 3,000 pounds, more than sufficient for the mission.
All right, flight instruments.
All right, we're gonna go here on Toga. Not sure what initial altitude is gonna be. I got 2,000.
Yeah, probably about 3,000.
3,000.
I'll put 3 in.
Okay. I got V186, VR 97, V2 102.
Exactly. Electric
and
trim set.
Yeah, trim. We got that there. 1, 2, 3 are set.
All right, flaps are 2.
Hotel.
2 selected, indicated.
Flight controls.
Off runway 9, be left downwind departure. Charleston Exec.
Free and correct.
Speed brakes are skipping, thrust reverse.
Check them.
Down to normal. Lights off, that's good. Pressure source is selected. Temperature is set for cold. And ice we won't need. Speeds are bugged. Down to crew briefing.
Alrighty, it's going to be rolling takeoff, flaps 2 or 15 degrees.
Yep.
V1
Speeds are posted.
posted, and then we're going to do a departure out of here. Yeah,
I'm going to ask if we can do a flyby of Charleston.
No.
The weather's beautiful. We'll see if we can do it. But
all right.
okay. All right. Let's see. We got that trim set, pressurization source, and ice. All right, we're down to the forward takeoff checklist. And let's see. Where was that frequency for it? Charleston.
Okay, I have it here.
Oh, there it is, 1985. Okay. There it is, 1985.
Heavy Jack Center 13292
3292. Taking off.
Well, it's uncontrolled, right?
Right.
He's out of control.
Charleston, Citation 577 X-ray Whiskey.
And 577 X-ray Whiskey, stand by, remain outside the class, Charlie.
Yes, sir. We're on the ground at JZI.
Roger, stand by, controller swap.
Controller swap.
Shift change, brake.
Yeah.
Charlie, join the final, report the airport site. Charlie, Savage, approach runway 33.
Okay.
All right, sit and wait.
For 50 Charlie, contact tower 126. Correction, reduce speed to 160 knots or less. Contact tower 126.0. For 577 X-ray Whiskey, advise ready.
Yes, sir. We're ready, and I do have a request.
For 577 X-ray Whiskey, go with your request.
So I wonder if we could do like a VFR cruise down Charleston for scenic purposes, and then pick up our IFR to Kissimmee.
7 X-ray Whiskey. Right now we're a little busy to do VFR flight following around there. If you wanted to go VFR, remain outside the Charlie. That's up to you, and pick it up in the air.
Okay, I think we'd like to do that, and so we'll just, is 1,000 feet okay there, because you got 1,200 at the bottom?
Affirmative, sir. As long as you remain outside that 5-mile surface to 4 ring, and then there's the 1,200 up to 4. So if you remain outside that, you're good.
Okay, we'll do that. Well, we'll just plan on going up towards Caesar intersection and then down on the south side and then pick it up in the air.
Okay, roger.
Thank you.
Exec Jet 214 Executive, looking for a Washington, D.C. Dulles.
Okay, we'll just do that then.
Okay.
I'll kind of guide you a little bit, but I'm going to swing your camera around, and that'll be for viewing purposes. See how that goes. That should be pretty good right there. Can you tighten it? Thank you very much. Right. And if that's in your way.
Well, I plug it in my tongue.
Okay.
Anyway, it's not gonna...
Okay, perfect. All right, you're ready to rock?
Alrighty, and we're going to 1,000?
Yeah, we'll go to 1,000 feet. And then we're just going to go out here over Caesar, and then just down here on the south side, and I'll keep you out of the trouble. So we'll go to 1,000. That's good. Perfect.
Okay.
Charleston Executive Traffic, Citation 577 X-ray Whiskey, departing runway 27 will be northbound.
Okay.
There we go.
All right, we got pitot static and anti-collision and
Collision, Rico.
nav lights, rec lights.
Come on. There you go.
Brakes off, and we're ready to roll. Ready to roll. Cool. We'll do a little scenic tour.
Approach is clear.
Somebody's turned the lights on. That's important in the daytime.
Oh.
Isn't it pretty? All right, sir, you ready?
Here we go. And set takeoff power.
All right. Power's set. Airspeed's alive. 80 knots, 2 good engines. V1.
Rotating.
Rotate. Positive rate.
You're up.
.400 feet.
Flaps up.
Okay, 500 feet to go. 400, 300, 200. Just pull your power back to about 90. There's your altitude, and you can turn to the right.
Okay, clear on the right.
Clear on the right. And just do 200 knots and just go.
Charleston Executive Traffic, Sky 3137
Follow that heading bug, I'll take you.
Final for
200 feet above us, turn hard right. Do you know Charleston?
No.
You mind if I fly this part of it?
Please.
Because I know right where I want to take us.
Firebird Max Cap, Golden Knight 610, single dash 8, 2 minutes, jumper is 12,500 and below, do not overfly Firebird Max traffic.
All right, just keep me below 1,000 because we're in it right now, and I'm just gonna take this tour right down here.
Low country traffic, 62 Mike Tango, 2 dropping into the left downwind, runway 05, low country.
So we're heading towards Charleston. And I gotta stay out of that ring, which I should be able to do because we're gonna go right up here to the river and then make a right turn.
Makes sense.
Can't remember if it's the Ashley or the Cooper River. But I do know that people in Charleston, South Carolina firmly believe that the Ashley and the Cooper is where the Atlantic Ocean is formed.
Okay. Whatever they think, right?
Sorry, I snorted.
Low country traffic, 62 Mike Tango, midfield, left downwind, 05.
Charleston's where the Ashley and the Cooper meet to form the Atlantic Ocean. That's how that is.
3137 Echo, short final, runway 9 at Charleston.
So the first thing we'll see is the Citadel Military Academy. We're heading right at it, so kind of see it a little bit in the turn. It's just right on the edge of the water, right there. That's the Citadel. Then as we progress along on the town and get towards the edge, that'll be Battery, Battery Row and Battery Street there. If you've got a really, really nice house in Charleston, you probably have it south of Battery. So the people with a lot of money that have those real nice houses, they're all called SOBs, because they live south of Battery.
Low country traffic, 62 Mike Tango, turn final, runway 5, low country.
Really pretty. Then you have the aircraft carrier. I didn't do my research. I can't remember the name of the carrier.
Yorktown.
I can't remember if that's the Yorktown or not. I've been on it, though.
Yeah.
Sullivan's Island.
Oh, I see it.
And then continuing on out to the bay, shortly here we'll see Fort Sumter. All true Southerners know that Fort Sumter is where the South fought to be free from the oppressive federal government. Unfortunately, that war didn't turn out quite the way it was supposed to.
3137 Echo, clear the active.
War of Northern Aggression. But it was started by our side. Awesome. Let's switch to column 2 and see if we can get a clearance There's Fort Sumter, and we'll start heading down the beach. So if you'll grab Charleston there, just start. All right, I'll tell you what, you have the airplane.
Okay, I have it.
All right, altitude's good. It's your jet.